Wow, I really left it until my hair was greasy to film that hairstyles video. Welcome to the mess that is my life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, I'm presuming you decided to grow your fringe out. I am here for you, we can get through this together. March 2018, I decided to get a fringe. It was kind of a mistake. Thing is, I feel like everyone in their life will have a fringe at one point. And I think it's mainly in your childhood when your parents decide what happens to your hair and then they style your hair. So it's kind of not really a problem. You're just like, yeah, here I am. But I never had that. And then basically I thought, I've never done anything with my hair before. Like, this is my natural hair. Well, my natural colour. Yeah, as you can see, I was a blonde and now it's kind of going brown, but I don't want to dye it. I'm very in denial. My natural hair is actually really curly, but we straighten it because it's easier. So I thought, you know what? It's that time of my life where I get a fringe. My mum hated it so much. She really did. But hey, it's growing out now. It's fine. She loves me now. It's fine, you know? We're back on track. Everyone warned me, like, don't get a fringe because you're gonna have to grow it out at some point. And it's not fun. Especially with my naturally curly hair. Yeah, it's very, it's a different story. When it's straight, you know, this doesn't blend at all, you know, it's very choppy. You gotta do something about it. Here are some fun hairstyles. They're not fun, they're really simple and basic. It looks like you tried even though you didn't. And that is all I care about. Yeah, this is the length my fringe has gotten to. It's kind of long, to be fair. I haven't cut it since the start of the year. A longer intro over. Let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out with something really simple, but when I was first growing out my fringe, this is what I used to do. Okay, so it wouldn't fully fit into a ponytail, so I would, like, separate it. I have a mirror to the side, by the way. I'd basically put it in a ponytail, and then I would grab the fringe, and then I would just, like, twist it. Can you see? This is probably... Wait, this is probably... Oh no, I'm moving the camera. You can see. I would twist it like so. Grab a bobby pin. So you'd pin it so it has like a little twist. I always like to like make the top of my ponytails really messy. Like so. We just pull it. So yeah, I'd like flatten it so it doesn't look, you know, too crazy. And then pull out your little flyaways. Just have a normal ponytail. That's what I would do. I know that it's not very interesting, but I feel like if you're first growing out your fringe, this is a good one to do when you're first growing out your fringe because one, it might not fit into your ponytail yet, or two, when you put it, it might fit, but it might like stick up, you know, like the really short bits and it looks really weird. It would just like sit back and like you can't see it, you know? It looks really fine. This video is not professional at all, I'm sorry. This is what I used to do at the beginning. So let's progress. Don't know what I'm saying. Okay, this next one I've started doing very recently. You're gonna put your hair into a middle parting. And trust me, I don't suit middle partings either before a lot of you, you know, freak out because I'm the same. I really don't suit a middle parting. But for some reason, I feel like it looks better than you think it would. Isn't this delightful? Look at this. You can either do this with bobby pins or I like to use hair clips. This has recently become a trend where you wear children's hair clips in your hair. And I'm here for it. So I literally got these at Claire's, but they got glitter on them. I'm obsessed. You literally just... And I would like tuck the fringe behind your ear and then pull the hair over so it looks like that. I don't need to be telling you how to do this. I still don't know if I suit this. I feel like you gotta like poof that up a bit more. And now you look about 2 years old. It's so easy and I know you're thinking, why did you include this? It's so simple. I just feel like hair accessories, like, they hide all of your troubles away. No one would ever know that you're at that really awkward stage of growing out your hair. Okay, these next two are basically the same thing but different partings. Yeah. I've just put my hair in a ponytail and then I'm basically going to do the same exact thing just with a ponytail. But I don't know, I feel like it looks cute, so I'm just going to do it again. And once again, Cosmo and Wonder, you ain't slick. The thing is, you have this. And that's not fun. Get some bobby pins, the same colour as my hair, but like gold, whatever, you know, like similar colour to your hair. And like pin it behind your ear. Only do it with two, so then it's like secure. I would like mess up the top of it, pull it out, and then boom. It's exactly the same thing, but just with your hair up. I don't know, I feel like this is really cute as well, because if you don't want to wear your hair down but you thought that looked kind of cute, don't worry, you can still do it. I don't know. I feel like the hair down one is also good for people with short hair, because I feel like if I don't know if you can do this if you have short hair. I wouldn't know. Okay, so I know when I said the next two are literally exactly the same. Yeah, just put the rest of it on the same side. Yeah, literally just put it in a side parting. Once again, grab your hair clips, clip it. These are clips. You can like put loads in with this as well. I normally stick with 2. You could probably stick a 3rd one in, right? That actually looks really cute. Why haven't I done that before? There you go. That's not what I was gonna do, but I feel like that's what people are doing nowadays, is putting as many hair clips as they can fit onto their head, and I am here for it, as you can see. Put about 10,000 hair clips in your hair, call it a day, and you'll forget you even had a fringe. 5 years old, but it's fun. Okay, this last one, we're just gonna tie all of our hair back. Just for now, it's not going to stay like this. Shove it behind your head. You're just going to need a clear elastic. You can probably use it with a bubble, but clear elastics look better. We're going to braid it. I feel like short hair is a bit more difficult, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. Trust me, it's actually really easy. Once again, I'm really not good at braiding. You're probably all judging my technique. It won't take you very long because it's so short. You just continue the plait down, or the braid, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, tie it. You can wear this with your hair down, so just like get a bobby pin, lift the top of your hair like up, and then literally just like pin it, and then bring that down, and then you got a little braid at the front of your hair, and I feel like it looks really pretty. If you have these like little pearl clips, you can pin them into your braid. I got these off Amazon. And then you just stick them in your braid. It's really easy. It looks like you spent effort doing your hair when you literally wanted to pin your fringe back because you're growing it out. For all you long haired people out there, like me, you can also tie your hair up. And I feel like this looks very like Ariana Dangerous Woman Tour-esque, but obviously on a budget. It looks really shit. Please don't come for me. These are the hairstyles I do for right now, growing out my fringe. It took me a while, but I feel like I finally nailed it down to some that look okay, I guess. I like them personally, and if you like them, then you're welcome. They're really, really easy to do, so anyone can do them. If you enjoyed the video, or if it was helpful or whatever, please give it a thumbs up. You can comment down below if you are growing out your fringe personally, like comment down below like other hairstyles. Subscribe if you want, and I will see you next time. I actually didn't leave it a month until uploading this. You're welcome. Bye!